Welcome, welcome, friends, today. Learn-a-Land is here to play. Numbers, letters, shapes galore. Colors, animals, and so much more. Are you ready to learn? Say yes! Count the treasure. Don't be late. 1, 2, 3, we'll count to 10. It's great. Let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the shapes. Look, oh look, a round, a square, a triangle, nook. Which one is the circle? Clap if you see it. Paint the flowers bright and new. Red, yellow, and a lovely blue. Paint the flowers bright and new. Red, yellow, and a lovely blue. Point to something red in your room. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. Let's say them all. Say it with me. Apple. B ball, C cat. D is for dog. Can you say Dee dog? And E is for elephant. Let's all say E elephant. A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E elephant. Well done, everyone. The cow says moo, the cat says meow, the dog says woof. Let's copy them now. Can you make a cow sound? Moo with me. We're counting down, ready to start. 10, 9, 8, 7. Blast off. To the stars. A wheel is a circle, a box is square, shapes are everywhere. Let's find them there. Can you find a square around you? Green are the leaves and yellow is the sun. Look around. Learning colors is fun. Where's something green? Point it out. Count with me from 11 to 20. Let's go fast and make it plenty. F is for frog, and G is for grape, H is for hat. Let's learn the shape. What sound does G make? Grape. One banana, 2 apples, 3 grapes in a line. Count the fruits and you'll do just fine. Red and yellow make orange so bright, blue and yellow make green. What a sight! What happens when we mix red and blue? Purple! Hop like a frog, jump like a cat. Run like a dog. We can all do that. Where's the letter hiding now? Find the bee and ball, take a bow. Triangles and squares, they fit just right. Build a rocket ready for flight. Two by two we count the stars. Let's find how many, near and far. Count the stars. 2, 4, 6, 8. Great. K for kite, L for lion, M is for moon. We're really flying. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, indigo, violet, a rainbow for you. What's your favorite color? The fish swims in water. The bird's in its nest. Match the homes and do your best. Circle to circle, square to square, put the shapes together, let's compare. One, two, three, four, five, so sweet. 5 flowers grow, aren't they neat? P is for pizza, Q for queen, R is for robot, the best I've seen. Clap 1, 2, 3. Clap 4, 5, 6. Counting claps is our fun trick. Slide is a triangle, sandbox is square, shapes are fun, and they're everywhere. What shape is the ball? A circle. We learned letters, numbers, and colors too. Shapes and animals, all with U. What letter does dog start with? D. Can you count to 10? Let's go. What color is an apple? Red. Can you name these shapes? Circle, square, triangle. What animal says moo? A cow. Can you sing the alphabet with me? A, B, C. What colors do you see? Blue, yellow, green. Great job, everyone. You're all so smart. Learn a Land was fun today. We'll see you soon for more to play.